Wala bafethu kunjani? Those abantu on your screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu nani niyazi angihambi ngedwa. Ngihamba no
Shepa fethu kunjani cameraman team mfokaswela Mswati lo mnanzi Football Fusion. Sibuyile with another one.
Yeah, on today's episode bafethu we cover World Cup. We are looking at Group B. If ungazi ubuke Group A, we covered the Group A with South Africa and the teams and the key players kahle kahle to look at abanga threatenish, but ke we just thought ukuthi let's cover all the groups kahle kahle ukuthi which are the key players for each team. So we'll start with the Canada, which is the host nation kahle kahle nayo. Canada put awungitshele.
Canada, I think the first player we can look at is Alphonso Davies, which plays for Bayern Munich. I think he's well known, you know. I think it's their captain as well. So uyena umdlali ngibona ngathi uzoba inkinga, umdlali osheshayo onespeed nje siphuthumayo.
Yeah.
Ngisho uyamazi.
Hayi ngimazi kahle Alfonso. Hey, ungabale history yakhe but it's fine.
No, he has the Champions League at some point, so inkonzi. And excellent. Magiwa phambili uyaphuthuma uyashesha. So I think he's one of the key players ekumele siwabuke ku Canada.
Yeah. The only downside yakhe I think at the moment is because akekho fit. Think ubuya kwi-injury and still ngazi ukuthi uhamba nayo injury ethile, but ke is still the best player for them.
Yeah.
Is their captain anyway. Yeah. Omunye sikambheka.
I think we have Jonathan David, who plays for Juventus.
Yeah.
Mazi kahle ke now it's their all-time goal scorer. And a clinical finisher as well. So angazi ukuthi you want to add something kuye lapho.
Yeah, he's a killer. He's a killer, that one. Although he rely kakhulu with service, but he's a killer. We've known him for years, man. I think before this he was playing for Lille, and he was doing well. 20 plus goal striker. Yes, 20 plus goal striker. So you can tell in Europe, Lomond Law is a good striker. Yeah.
So overall, what can we make of Canada?
Overall, I think Canada, it's their golden generation. Maybe it's about time because they participated in the 2022, right?
Yeah.
World Cup. Now I think it's about time. Maybe Pume knockout, and what would be the best time to do it at home? We host nation now. I think that it's like a confidence booster for them.
Yeah.
Yeah. Moving on to the next one, Qatar. Okay. Qatar, bafethu, we all know they were the host nation for 2022 World Cup. That's why Argentina. It was a good World Cup kahle kahle. Singabala still, but esikakubala ukuthi it's good to see them qualifying without being the host nation, because by host nation it gives you automatic qualification value because you have to participate. Now they made it. Ibapha abadlali esingababheka kuyona.
I think we can start with their biggest star, which is Akram Afif.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's their captain as well, I think. Is it?
Yeah. He's their captain.
An excellent dribbler, creative. So I think it's one of the key players we can look on. But the problem with Abanayo is Qatar as a whole. Sometimes they tend to rely on which can be a downfall for them. But it's their biggest star. So obviously, uzodinga ukuthi aphakamisa isandla and play for them.
Yeah. I think you're not downfall. I think kahle kahle singathi they don't have depth engakanani. That's why hence they rely on those sparks akhona kanjengabo or Akram Afif, you know. But hope he performs because we want to see the best World Cup no matter what happens. Yeah. Next one to look at,
we have their striker Almuz Ali.
Yeah.
Which I think is their leading goal scorer as well.
Yeah, he's their all-time
goal scorer as well. And une partnership enhle umedlala no Akram Afif. So that partnership, it tells you ukuthi kuzoba nenkinga if boy two badlala.
Yeah.
So teams shouldn't just throw a blind eye lapho.
Yeah. kahle kahle sesiyivala, we can say that they've got a team as a whole, they've got good chemistry. They've also have got a squad that has potential, young squad with a lot of potential. We can all see now what the Middle Eastern football is on the rise, kahle kahle. So yes, we are more focused on Saudi Arabia because a lot of stars from Europe move to that side, but the Qatarians as well are doing well in terms of developing football. Yeah, so we cannot turn a blind eye. Siyabona lapha ukuthi kwenzakalani. Yeah, see one of Europe's heavyweights, Switzerland. They've been around World Cup. I don't know how many, but they always participate in World Cups and they get through group stages. We all know that they are good in defense. That's their biggest strength. But asingene kubadlali that really create this team to be this massive and this competitive. Siqale ngokuqala, Granit Xhaka.
Yeah, as a Arsenal support.
Okay, I know this one I can cover very easily. Yeah, Granit Xhaka, I think the downfall now will be the fact that iminyaka phela naye iyahamba yabo, so he's no longer as quick as he used to be, but he's the marshal of midfield. I would say he's the engine of midfield. He is able to detect the tempo of the game, the experience that he has, the caps that he has accumulated over the years playing for Switzerland. That all counts. It comes down to this moment, the excellent leadership that he has. Yes, sometimes temper yakhe ibuye ithi ukuhluthuka, you would find him getting a red card here and there, but that doesn't change that he's a good leader. So Granit Xhaka is the one to look at. Ngicela sibheke omunye ugoalkeeper wabo, uGregor Kobel, lo dlalela iBorussia Dortmund.
No, I think it's one of the best goalkeepers in Europe. Goalkeeper okwaziyo ukucontrola i-defense yakhe on the back. A very good shot stopper, you know. Akatatazeli, pass the ball back. He can comfortably play the ball kuma defenders wakhe. So it's one of the best goalkeepers we can look at, you know. I think he can also win a game for Switzerland in difficult times. The saves he is good shot stopper. So the saves he makes, Uzoba winners, I think it's one of the keepers we can look at.
Last one. I think Switzerland is the only one that has got a lot of players that are interesting to look at. But Manuel Akanji, we spoke about their defense, how good they are, but they are good because they've got good leaders. They Manuel Akanji put.
No, it's a very good defensive leader. It doesn't make a lot of mistakes, you know. So if you have that type of a defender and you have that type of a goalkeeper who's calm, it makes them strong. So I think they have a very strong defensive. He rarely makes mistake, like I've said. So you can
we can always refer to him. He plays for Inter. They just took a league Lapaya, and he was a vital player, contributing, taking a league for them. He used to play for, in fact, he's on loan from Man City, so you can tell what he's
experience.
Good player. But overall, Man City say bigger. The team, they are well organized. They are difficult to break down. So we would say that they are one of the favorites when it comes to group stages. The last one.
I'm underdogs.
I just spoke about the favorites. These ones are the ones which we think they may make it to. If they make it to number 3, that will be an achievement. But obvious, football will always pull surprises here and there. Let's talk about Bosnia. Bosnia. We all know who Edson Dzeko. He's their veteran. But Asbuge young blood, which is coming through the ranks now.
Okay, let's look. We have Emedin Dimirovic. I think it's their main goal threat.
He plays for Stuttgart in Germany.
So no muntu okay, physical striker, have very strong work ethics. Strikers in Villa, striker S7 zayo. Those type of things.
Yeah, it's good to make references to strikers. So create
very good finisher, this one.
visual.
So I think the striker it's one of the strikers about was undermined, and it could hurt the other countries if they undermine, because they are underdogs either way, So I feel like Emedin Timorovich is one of the key players we can look at.
Sidlulele phambili. What about their defense?
Their defense.
Yeah.
I think it's what is it?
Ama Dedic.
Yeah. Was playing for Benfica.
We're
trying to
names. Yeah.
I think it's one of their youngest stars as well. It's quick and energetic, good when attacking full back. It creates some chances coming from wide areas. So I see now Akoza a very, very troubling things in Apa. But we shall see.
Yeah. I think there are other names to throw in. Konabo Kolasinac. Kolasinac once played for Arsenal. That's how I know him. He was a good defender who left back. Can also play centre back. So they are quite decent. It's just that I think they don't have a lot of experience. You will judge even by the way they qualified to the tournament that they made it, but they made it towards the end. They were one of the teams that were playing playoffs. So it tells you, but they do have experience now. They may pull out a surprise. But they are the underdogs. I cannot lie to you. They are the underdogs. They need key players to step up so that they can do something.
Ilama team angakudla if uzo undermine.
Azokudla impela ke undermine. Bafethu tell us nini ukuthi bapha abadlali that you think can make a difference. Mhlawumbe groups that you want us to talk about. It cannot be ukuthi siqala from A to K or whichever way. But if you like this content, just tell us ukuthi maybe let's cover a group or would, then we'll cover that group. At the end of the day, we are at your service, guys.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
see you on another one.